there, Joe Kirk from the Kirk team with Lake Sotheby's. Hey, coming to you here from my listing at 1370 French Creek Drive. I wanted to deep dive into this beautiful kitchen, give you a little bit more of an in-depth tour. Then I want to start the tour with look behind me and look all around, and all you see are windows. The natural light in this kitchen is absolutely fantastic, and it is by far my favorite piece of this kitchen. The simple elegance of this kitchen is highlighted by the light cabinetry, the light windows, and then it is all accented by two things: the granite countertops, which really pop with the simple background, and then these beautiful Vikings Professional stainless steel appliances that will please any chef in your family. Thank you for joining me on this tour of this amazing kitchen at my listing at 1370 French Creek Drive in Orono. If you would like a private tour or additional questions, go ahead and comment below or message me and I'll make sure to get to you. But for now, have a good day and go Team Kirk.